DMC has a new wing for the Rolls Royce Wraith. Hi guys, thanks a lot for watching our videos again, and today we're going to give you a close-up look at one of DMC's latest product. It's a new rear wing spoiler for the Rolls Royce Wraith. And then the first thing you might say, hey, hold on, didn't you guys already launch a rear wing spoiler for the Rolls Royce Wraith? By the way, here it is in close-up. Look at this beautiful carbon fiber, of course, as all our latest pre-packed products, all with the center V-line. Yes, we did a rear wing spoiler before, but we had an inquiry from a client who wanted to have a little bit more sporty look, so we thought, why not add an additional design, which we call the Sport Package. It's suitable for the Rolls Royce Wraith as well as for the black badge. We think it looks especially sick on the black badge, since that car is going exactly into that niche of a sinister, blacked out car. It's a little bit different from our regular Wraith wing. You can see these two little tails. They look similar like what we've done on the Aston Martin DB11 wing. It's basically the same design, but for the Rolls Royce Wraith. Over the years, DMC has been in business now for 12 plus years. We have come up with a lot of wing spoiler designs. A lot have been copied in the past, but we have been really glad and happy enough to be able to be on the forefront of wing design. So this wing is no different. In fact, DMC, when we were talking about Rolls-Royce, this has been one of the first projects that we ever worked on. One of the first projects, must have been 2009. We worked on a Rolls-Royce Ghost for a Hong Kong customer back then. There's some nice stories to be said. We shortly after knowing this customer, we developed a tailor-made body Aero kit for this Rolls Royce Ghost. His name was Steven. I don't want to say the full name, but if you know a little bit about Rolls Royces in Hong Kong, you can probably Google his name. He came to our office and said, well, I've got this new Rolls Royce Ghost, and the interior of my Ghost, I would like to have it exactly in the same color and material as my shoes here. And he actually gave us his right shoe. And then it was a little bit metallic, glossy looking blue shoe. And he said, well, Donatella made these for me. And it took us a moment to realize that he was referring to Donatella Versace. But imagine this situation when the customer is literally giving you this shoe. It was really epic, and one of the stories that we always like to share. So we go way back with Rolls Royce Refining. We're very proud to be on that brand, very active on that brand. So this rear wing spoiler is the latest iteration that we're doing, and we hope you like this wing as well. If you like it, or if you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up on this video. Give us a subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Here it is one more time. Look at this really beautiful product, and we're looking forward to see you very soon with more DMC content. Let me say thanks one more time for watching. Until next time, bye for now.